How to create a website for free in UK. So I was able to create this amazing looking website for totally free without paying any money, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to do the exact same thing. So look down the video description. I'm having a link of this platform there. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come and then click on sign up for free, and it's going to bring you right here where you have to create an account. Okay, you can create an account by simply coming to click on sign up with Google in one click, or you can come and then click on the sign up with email. So when you click on it, all that you have to do is just come and then put in your email address right here, come and then put in your first name, then come and then put in your last name, and then come and create a strong password I recommend, then come and click on create account. But I'm going to go with a shortcut by simply coming to click on sign up with Google in one click. Okay, so over here what you have to do is just come and then choose the Gmail account that you are going to use. Okay, by simply clicking on it, and it's going to be selected, and then what you have to do is just come here and then come and click on the continue. Okay, so when you click on it, you have to come and then choose a plan. So we are going to choose the free plan whereby you pay $0. Okay, so simply come down and come and click on get started. So you'll be logging right into your dashboard just like this one. So within the dashboard, simply come down here to where it says build sites with AI, and then come and click on it. So over here we are going to go through this series of steps to create your website. So the first now you have to do is to come and then provide some basic information for the AI to use to build your website. So this basic information, the first thing is the name of the website. So simply come and put it right here. I'm going to call the name of my website as Travel Blog New York. Okay, Travel Blog New York. And then the next thing I have to do is just come and select what this website is for by clicking on it, and then go through. If you don't see exactly what you want, simply come here and then come and type in what you want. So I'm going to type in travel blog. When it comes, simply come and then select it. The next thing you have to do is to simply come and then choose the language that you want. I'm simply going to leave mine at the default, and then when you are done, simply come and then click on the continue. After that, what you have to do is to come and then describe your website so that the AI can use it to build it for you. You can always come here and then come and click on write using AI, and the AI is going to generate something for you. Go through and then edit it to fit your preference. If you are not okay with it, you can simply come down here to where it says improve using AI, and then click on it, and it's going to generate a different one for you. All that you have to do is to simply go through and then edit it. You can always switch through what was generated by simply clicking on the back arrow to the first one, and then you click on the forward arrow for the current one. Okay, so when you're okay with it, simply come and click on the continue, and then what you have to do is to come and then provide your contact details. That is what people is going to use to contact you. So the first one is to come and then put in your email address right here, and then the next thing is to come and put in your phone number right here. Okay, you can also add your address, either physical or digital address, by putting it right here. And then what you can also do is to add your social media handles to it by simply coming down and then click on the plus sign, and then you can add any of these social media handles to it, and it's going to be used to build your website for you. I'm going to skip it by clicking on skip step, and then over here what you have to do is to come and then select free stock images that is going to be used to build a website for you. You can sort it through by simply going with any of these, and then when you click on it, that type of images is going to be shown. Okay, you can see your selected images by clicking on the selected images, and then you will see all the images that you have selected. So if you want to delete any of them, simply come and click on the delete icon, and it's going to be deleted. But make sure you don't select more than 20 images at a time. You can also upload your own unique images by clicking on upload your images, and then make sure that it goes with all these picture formats, and then don't upload more than 20 images at a time. Okay, you can add them later, and then you can come and then click on search results, and then you can search for new images to be added. You can sort it by simply clicking on this, and then you can choose either landscape or portrait, and that type of image is going to be shown. Okay, so when you are done, simply come down here to where it says continue, then come and click on the continue. Okay, so the next important thing is that you have to come and select the structure of your website. That is how the website is going to look like. Okay, you can put the mouse on it, and it's going to be shown from the top to the bottom how the website is simply going to look like. So I'm going to put the mouse on any of them. I think I like this one. Okay, it is looking nice, and that is what I'm going to select by simply clicking on it. So you can also come and then add your site logo. If you have a site logo, you can come and then click on upload file here, and it's going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, you can come and then choose any of these fonts, and that is the type of font that is going to be used to build your website for you. And you can come and then select any of these color palettes, and then that is what is going to be used to build your website for you. If you're not okay with what you selected, the design, you can simply come here and then come and click on back to other designs and then select a different one. If you are okay, simply come here to where it says the continue and then come and click on the continue. So when you click on it, you can come and then select any of these features, and then it's going to be used to build your website for you. We have the donation feature, we have the sales funnel, we have the free live chat. You can come and check the box, and it's going to be used to build your website for you. If you don't want it, simply come and then uncheck it. And we have the automation as well. And one important aspect is the video player. I'm simply going to skip all this by coming to click on skip and then start building. And I want my website to be built. So this is a glimpse of what we have done so far. If you're ready, simply come and then click on start building the website and wait for the AI to build your website for you in a simple seconds. Okay, so hooray, we have successfully built our website. What we have to do is that we have to copy and then paste our credentials somewhere by clicking on the copy, and it's going to be copied pasted somewhere, and then come here and then come and click on visit site or view site. So you might come across any of these showing that your website is not ready. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to go around it. Okay, so just come here to the congratulations message part, and then come to the top side and then come and click on this, and then it's going to be closed, and then you are going to be logged back into your dashboard. So under it, come and click on the starting site, and then you're going to see the site that you have created right now. So this is the website that you have created. So we can simply go forward to where we have the actions. Under the actions, you are going to see the three dots. Simply click on the three dots and then come and click on login credentials. Okay, so when you click on it, simply come here to your URL, your website URL, and then come here to where we have the forward icon, and then come and click on it. So when you click on the forward icon, you are going to be logged right into your website just like this one. So we have successfully created our website for free without paying any money. But when you look at the top of the website, you see that our website is going to expire within 24 hours. Okay, so it simply means that the web builder does not host our website for us, so we have to host it. Let me show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come and then put the mouse on the name of your website, and then come and click on the dashboard. Okay, so when this comes, simply come here to where you have the plugins, and then come and then click on add new plugin. When this comes, simply come and click on add new plugin, and over here come and search for this plugin called WP Vivid. Okay, just like this one. So when it comes, simply come here, you see the WP Vivid right, and then come and click on the install now. So all that you have to do is to simply wait for it to finish installing, and then simply come and click on the activate. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to see that the WP Vivid is under the setting just like this one. WP Vivid backup is here. Come to where you have the backup and then restore, and then come and make sure that database plus file is checked, and then save backups to local is checked as well. And then come and click on the backup now. So all that you have to do is to simply wait for it to finish backing up, and then when it is done, simply come down here to where we have the backups. So under the backups, you are going to see that your backup is right here, and then simply come here to where you have the download, and then come and click on the download. Okay, and then come here to where you have the file. You are going to see the file size is here in front of it. Come and click on the download, and then your website is going to be downloading. Okay, so as you can see, it is downloading. Simply wait for it to finish downloading, then come and click on the download icon, and then you see that our website has finished downloading. Come and then click on the folder icon, and you see that we have successfully downloaded our website. Okay, so this is our website that we have successfully downloaded it, and then now what you have to do is to simply host it. Okay, so we have two ways of hosting your website. We have a paid way of hosting the website, and then we have a free way of hosting the website. I'm having a full video walking you through step by step how to host your website for free on my channel. So go to the channel, search for that video, and then watch it, and then host your website for free.